Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a beautiful Christmas parol using materials that are easily recyclable and original. The materials needed for this is glue and glue gun, rubber band or yarn, eco bag, bamboo sticks, and plastic cups, scissors and cutter. The first step in this is tying two bamboo sticks together in one end. You will need to do this 5 times to make a star. You also will need to make a star frame using those two bamboo sticks. You will need to repeat it 2 times to make 2 stars. You will have to combine those 2 stars together with yarn or rubber bands. And then you will have to put a pillar in the core so you can support it. And make the core bigger. Then we have to measure the width and depth of the star. And then we have to measure the pointy side of the star. After that, apply the same measure to the echo bag. After getting the width and height, we will put glue on the frame of the star. We keep adding echo bags on each side and especially the core. And after this, we will put the sign.